Hey everyone, got a few minutes to spare? Perfect, because today I'm going to show you how to score some free crypto tokens through airdrops. Yup, you heard that right. Free tokens. Let's dive in. First things first, what exactly is a crypto airdrop? Well, it's when a blockchain project gives away free tokens to its community. Sometimes it's a marketing stunt, and other times it's a way to reward loyal users. Either way, it's a win-win for us. Now, how do you get in on this action? Step 1. Stay informed. Follow crypto news sites, Twitter accounts, and join Telegram groups. Airdrops are usually announced through these channels. Websites like airdropalert.com or airdrops.io are also great resources. Next up, create a dedicated crypto wallet. Trust Wallet and MetaMask are popular choices. Make sure you have a wallet that supports the tokens being airdropped. And always keep your private keys safe. This is super important. All right, so you've got your wallet ready. What's next? Step 3, follow the rules. Each airdrop will have its own set of requirements. It could be as simple as following a Twitter account, joining a Telegram group, or filling out a form. Sometimes you might need to hold a certain amount of another cryptocurrency. Just make sure you complete all the tasks. Now here's a pro tip. Use a separate email for airdrop activities. This way you keep your personal email safe from spam. Also, be cautious of any airdrop that asks for your private keys or any personal information. That's a big red flag. Once you've done all the steps, all that's left is to wait. Airdrops don't always happen instantly. It could take days, weeks, or even months for the tokens to show up in your wallet. Patience is key here. Now you might be wondering, is it really worth it? Well, some airdrops can be quite lucrative. For instance, the Uniswap airdrop back in 2020 gave away tokens that were worth thousands of dollars. But not all airdrops are going to make you rich overnight. Treat them as bonuses rather than a guaranteed payday. Lastly, always, and I mean always, do your own research. There are scams out there, and you don't want to fall for one. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Stay smart and stay safe. All right, folks, that's a wrap on today's quick guide to crypto airdrops. I hope you found this useful and are ready to jump in and start collecting those free tokens. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you've scored any awesome airdrops lately. Thanks for watching, and happy airdropping. Catch you in the next video.